Hello everyone, I am Akhila Manasa from Russia Lab at IIT Tirupati, India. Here I will be presenting a discussion contributed by Dr. Sridhar Chimalakonda and myself towards integrating augmented reality and software documentation. We envision that marriage between augmented reality and software documentation is likely to happen either by choice as a love marriage or by necessity as an arranged one. Software documentation helps in maintaining, reusing, testing and understanding a project. Software documentation is important but is largely ignored. Either the documentation is insufficient or is not updated along with projects. In case the documentation is available, it is extremely huge and complex, and it is very difficult to understand such vast documentation. So we started off our discussion with the key objective of depicting software documentation in a way to help multiple stakeholders gain better value. Towards this, we discussed the idea of visualizing software documentation through augmented reality. We proposed few directions of AR visualization metaphors that could be explored for different documentation types. We also present an example visualization of API documentation through an idea prototype that visualizes API documentation through human nervous system. However, there are certain challenges in integrating augmented reality and software documentation. Documentation across projects is inconsistent with varied formats. We should first enhance software documentation and align it across projects to integrate it with AR. This might require identification of similar projects and deciding a specific format for each of the documentation types. In this regard, we suggest few research directions that could be explored. A wide range of metaphors other than the ones discussed could be explored specific to various documentation types. Each documentation type could be generated in a specific format that eases automating AR visualization. I request everyone who is interested in this vision to view the full video presentation and contact us on our email